Maybe not in the next week or so, but the weather outside will get frightful before we know it. Meteorologist Caitlin Harvey has an explainer of the winter weather terms that you're going to need to know. It's in our Weather Now Extra.
It's Nebraska and Iowa's Winter Weather Awareness Day, and darn if it only doesn't come once a year. So we're reviewing winter weather terms as we get closer and close now to these colder temperatures that will arrive eventually. First, we'll start with blizzard, a winter storm with sustained or frequent gusts over 35 miles an hour, blowing or falling snow that reduces visibility to a half a mile. But this whole storm, to be qualified as a blizzard, has to last longer than 3 hours. Otherwise, you have a snow squall, still an intense period of heavy snowfall and gusty winds, but less than 3 hours, can be described as a little mini blizzard. Then we have an ice storm. That's typically issued when we have about a quarter-inch plus of ice accumulation, all from freezing rain, causing damage and significant impacts such as power outages. We also have hypothermia, one of the leading causes of injury heading on into the winter season outside of icy roads. Causes and signs, of course, the cold temperatures, confusion, shivering, difficulty speaking. We'll see sleepiness and stiff muscles. All of these can be a sign of hypothermia and a good idea to then move indoors and get warm. Back to you.